Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to have everyone here. So for today's episode, this is the part 2 of our Louis Vuitton price increase. So as promised, I will be bringing you more update regarding the price increase that just happened last October 1st. So if you want to find out the new prices of the Louis Vuitton bags, whether it be canvas, leather, please stay tuned and join me today's episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I vlog about the latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews. I'm inviting you to join our growing little family by clicking this cute little icon here so you could easily subscribe and I could welcome you to our growing family. Guys, please do follow me also on Instagram.com/Ramirafy so you could get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so for today's episode, what I will be sharing to you guys is a more detailed report regarding the new prices of Louis Vuitton bags, which I will be including canvas pieces, leather goods, and SLGs. So I'll be noting here the prices before it happened and the prices after the price increase, and I'll be showing you the price difference. So the bags that I will be showing you, it would not be all the bags of Louis Vuitton, but I will be showing you the more iconic pieces from the MONOGRAM line and the leather goods and SLGs, so that we would have an idea whether you would want to still add it to your collection or maybe just pass on because of the Louis Vuitton pricing. First is Alma BB. New price is $1,620. It increased $140 from the original price. Next is the PM size, where it increased $160 and new price is now $1,820. The largest size, Alma MM, it increased $160. New price is $2,160. Alright, next we go to Speedy 25. The new price now is $1,350. It increased OMG $210. Next size is Speedy 30. Again, it increased $210. New price of $1,370. And the largest size is Speedy 35. Again, same price, it increased $210. New price $1,390. Now let's move on to the Nano Speedy. Good news is it only increased $20 from the old price of $1,300. Alright, let's go to the Neverfull PM. So new price now is $1,620. It increased $160. Next size MM. New price is $1,690. It increased $150. And the largest size, of course, it increased $140. New price now is $1,760. Now let's move on to Neo Noe MM. It increased $60 from the original price of $1,810. The Nano Noe, it also increased only $20 from $1,300. Then of course the Noe purse, new price is $1,550. Now let's move on to the Pochette Metis. OMG, you guys, it increased $310 from the original price. Now let's go to Palm Springs Mini. Same thing, it increased staggering $310. Alright, next is the Dauphine Mini. Again, crazy price increase of $360 from $2,890. The bigger size MM, OMG, it increased $400. Wow. Now let's go to the Multi-Pochette accessoire. Again, crazy increase of $310 from the old price. Then we have the Pochette accessoire. Again, price increase of $260. Now the new price is $1,050. The Bum Bag, it increased $140. New price of $1,900. Then the Felici Pochette, it increased $70 from the new price of $1,240. Then we have the Mini Pochette accessoire. It increased $95. New price now is $540.
Alright, let's start with Capuccines Mini. OMG, this increased $400 from $44.50. Next size is the Capuccines BB, $550 price increase from $5,100. And the biggest size of the Capuccines is the MM. OMG, you guys, could you believe this? $750 price increase from $5,200. We go to the Twist Mini. So new price is $3,800. It increased $200. Twist PM, new price is $4,050. And the biggest size Twist MM with another crazy price increase of $400 from the original price. Alright, next is the Nice Mini. Good news is there is no price increase. Same price still at $1,030. Even the nano size, same price is still $810. No price increase also for the Kirigami, still same price of $745. The cosmetic pouch, again same price of $550. No price increase. Card holder, $220. No price increase. Yay! 4 key holder, $225. Still same price, no price increase. The Rosalie coin purse, still no price increase at $400. This one is on my wish list. I'm so happy that this did not increase its price, so still at $270. The double zip pochette, again still same price at $1,300. No price increase. The trio pouch, same price, $1,390. No price increase for the Felici strap and go at $1,620. Victorine wallet, $570. No price increase. Card holder recto verso, no price increase at $590.
Alright, so guys, what do you think of the new prices of Louis Vuitton bags? How do you feel about it? I have already received a few comments regarding the price increase, in which again, I think all of us can say that the price increase that happens are super unnecessary and very crazy, because from you guys are saying that yes, there is a price increase, but we cannot understand it because the prices are going up, but the quality of the construction of the bags and materials are going down, which I could totally agree with you guys. That's why for me personally, because me, I don't have like endless tons of money to be spending on these luxury bags. So for me, before I would be adding a new bag to my collection, definitely I would think really carefully if I need this bag, if I want this bag, if this would fit my lifestyle. So I'm trying to avoid like definitely, like for example, the FOMO purchase, or I will be purchasing something because again, like for example, I would know that there will be price increase. Oh, I need to purchase something, but then I would not be using maybe a piece of SLG or a bag down the line. So I'm trying to avoid that and just trying to be more considerate, or be mindful of what I would be adding to my collections. Hopefully I was able to impart a little bit information to you guys. Again, I would love to hear from you, so please comment down below what you think of the new prices of the new Louis Vuitton bags. Right, so before we end our episode for today, let's do count of the day. I would like to say thank you to G Aesthetic. G, thank you so much for watching and leaving a comment here on our channel. Super appreciate this one, and welcome to our family. I will see you in our next vlog. Alright, so again guys, I'm inviting you to join our growing little family by clicking this cute little icon here, so you could easily subscribe and I could welcome you to our family. Please do follow me on Instagram.com/AmirFa so you could get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Again guys, thank you so much for staying with me in this episode for today. Please stay tuned on Saturday. We have another shopping vlog. Please stay safe always. I will see you soon. Bye!